Hi, I'm Gianni Freya, and welcome back to LHS Live. Hope everyone had a great week off and spent time with family and friends, and hope everyone's turkey was not dry and had a nice Thanksgiving. But with Thanksgiving ending and everyone's favorite time of year is among us, and Lincoln's annual Christmas parade will take place Saturday, December 3rd, with the parade starting at 4:30 and the lighting and choir at 6. Also, seniors, last day for many CSU and UC applications is November 30th, so make sure you get those turned in. And now we have sports with Davis Brandy.
Hi, I'm Davis Brandy, bringing you the Zebra Sports Report. Varsity basketball opened the season last Friday versus River Valley and then a tournament over break. They play Wood Creek tomorrow. The defending league champ Zebra girls basketball team has their home opener versus Delora on Wednesday. Last year, the Lady Zebras made an appearance in the section championships and the NorCal finals. They'll be led by senior Katie Leith, who averaged 19 points, 8 rebounds, and 3.7 blocks per game. In the winter, you guys can do more than just school sports, and Gianni Freya and other Zebras hit the slopes over break. Check it out. Boys soccer has their first match versus Roseville tonight, and girls soccer will play Wheatland on Wednesday. In the MLB, Aaron Judge added an AL MVP to his historic season. Paul Goldschmidt won NL MVP, and Santi Alcantara and Justin Verlander won the Cy Young. In the NBA, Charles Barkley wants the Kings to replace the Lakers in national TV games after the 153-121 win over Brooklyn. That's it for Zebra Sports. Back to you, Gianni, and light the beam.
Lastly, the LHS Live crew tried to get in the Thanksgiving spirit by making a pie, but with a little twist. Welcome back to LHS Live. Today, we're gonna bake a cake. I know I said pie earlier, but we didn't have the stuff to make a pie.
We're making a cake.
All right, we're making a cake, but here's the twist on it. I have a blindfold on, he can't hear, and she can't talk, but she has to explain us the instructions, and so we're gonna try and figure this out. So, I need you to read the instructions. Without speaking, you have to explain it to Christian.
Oh, hell no. Smash it down.
Okay.
Whoa, don't spill it. We need 4 eggs. I hate, egg.
Ah! Throw the egg at me? Who threw the egg? Is it Christian? Was it?
No! I'm wearing a good shirt!
Where are you?
I'm sorry.
Come here, apologize. Alright, back to the cake.
Alright, let's cook.
Yeah?
Don't throw any at me.
Okay.
Then you could cook the cake.
I can't see!
Do not, ew. No. You're gonna get salmonella. Sophia's putting it in.
Okay.
Safer route. 25 minutes?
I can inform you that the pie was terrible because Jamal Bernal did not make it. Now, let's have a great day, Zebras.